Hello folks, this is hole number 2, par 4. This hole here, you can play it a lot of different ways. You can play it onto the first fairway and then jump over top of all the sand traps to the green, but you have to hit the rough in front, have about 3 or 4 top spin, a little bit of right spin. Or you can also play it so you do a rough bump towards the green. There's a snowy patch there with rough grass, and you want to hit that rough patch and roll it onto the green. But the third way is the way I'm going to play it here. I always like to play the hole this way. I find it to be a safe way. Safe way of being on the green or on the fringe or close to the green, even if you mess up. So I like to go this route, and this route is the far left route. You're actually hitting the far fairway at the same time. And what you're doing is you're using a quarterback or a rocket, I believe, what I use on this one here. And what you want to do is go full back, full right with the quasar, or a katana would work good here, but I'm always cheap on the ball, so I go to quasar. And if you're using a quasar like I did here, you ain't gonna have quite enough right spin. So what I like to do is grate the ball. Instead of hitting perfect, you want to grate it. If you use a katana, you could probably hit perfect and go full right, full back. But as you can see, I went full right, full back, full curl, and even grated it to the right, and it still wasn't far enough to the right of the hole. But I have got a hole-in-one on this hole before doing that same shot, so I know it does work. But the wind has to be right for you too. So on this particular shot, what I did was just let the wind carry the ball. Basically, it stretched out to maximum right now, the target. And I let the wind carry the ball, that 4.1 yards onto the fairway. And went from there. So basically, that's it. You can use the same thing with a quarterback, but make sure you got about 5 to 6 backspin. And you just adjust the quarterback so that you don't have to move the rings, because the quarterback has more distance than the rocket. Anyways, makes it for a really easy eagle, as you can see. That's hole number 2. We'll see you on hole number 3.